everyone, this is Ice Gold Patil from Latest Tech. So let's get started. Our first project is to make a smart door, smart parking door. So our the component is Arduino, which we are going to need. You can use Arduino Uno board, which you can see over here. This is a normal we can say Arduino board, which we can get in Arduino board. If this microcontroller you don't have, that's okay. The second component is IR sensor, and this is you have many IR sensors, so you can use this IR sensor. This is the best. We have 3 pins over here. And last things we have servo motor, which we can use as micro servo 9 gram, which we are using in this project is micro servo 9 gram SG90. So you can use any servo motor, they are all same, but it matters the voltage and all. So I recommend using 9 gram 5 volt servo motor. So let us move on our coding of our startup of our project. So first things first, go on Google, new tab, then go on Arduino IDE download. You can also read it as and then go to Arduino, and here you can download any of the version. You can zip file, there will be downloaded zip file, and I have already downloaded it. So after downloading it, you can go in left click on the device manager, and first you have to connect the board to the computer. Let me start with connecting. You can connect it to any port, it doesn't matter. It matters just of the Arduino board. Yes, so I have started with connecting my project and it has started loading. So after connecting, let us see what you have to do. You have to first go in ports, and there you have to see USB serial. It's COM5. If it's COM5, then open Arduino IDE. Yes, opened. If it's opening, good. If not, then you can reinstall it and upgrade the server of it. If you know, then you can also download the agent of Arduino. This is the agent. I have kept it closed because it's not of use now, as it's not ESP32, it's Arduino Uno. So go in tools, then port, and I have connected to COM5, so it has came over here. Then if you are new, so go on board and Arduino Uno. Yes, now it's connected, and now let us start with connecting our wires in our Arduino board. You can see how the connection in wires you can see in the next clip, and now I will explain how the code is working. So let me say we have to first do hashtag include servo.h, include servo.h. It's both same, servo tap servo. Then we have to put the all. Let me remove this. We don't have any already in this project. Then the sensor pin is 4 and tap servo pin is 5. We are using tap servo, which is 9 gram SG90, and I have told in the next clip also about it. And we have to initialize the value and void setup pin mode sensor pin input, as the IR sensor is going to give an information in the Arduino, so it's input, right? The tap servo attach tap servo the pin serial begin 9600. So this is a serial monitor, no one knows, so it's our serial which goes 1 and 0. It's all about the binary digits. And void loop, then value digital read sensor pin. So we have put a digital read value over here with serial print value. Serial monitor, it will come 0 when it started, and then the digital read LED low. Let me remove this as we don't have any LED in this. Let us keep it, let it be. So till here only. I will put the code in the description so you can check it out. Yes, so it's this much code and tap servo, right? So let me first compile this. Yes, you can easily start compiling it. And yes, congratulations, we have an error. So let me remove everything over here. And now let's compile. Dada. Yes. Wow. It's something right. 180 servo. Delay value 0. And yes. So I will give you the right code in the description. I think it has error. We started by putting last. Yes, so it's working. The thing was we have to close this, right? This is started over here and this is closed. So now the code is uploaded. Let me start by showing you the serial monitor. Yeah, the serial monitor is connected. Whenever we put our hands on any car in front of IR sensor, it shows 0. See, now you can see how I put my hand inside and it comes 0. You can even hear the sound of the motor. So this helps in actually it helps in the second project, which this can even help. See, now it will also show the timing. See, so this can even help in the record making of our project, that the smart monitor system, whenever a car comes, at what time it has came, we can even see it. So now when we stop auto scroll and we go up, it's very up. Yes, it's very up. Yes, so you can see 1 0. Now it came. Yes, now you can see the 0 over here. So it gives us an information when a car came and when it went. So this is our serial monitor, and let me end this clip with a thank you. And now you can see the next clip in which I have explained the connection of the wires of Arduino and the two components, and also about how to connect the Arduino to the computer with the LAN to USB cable. So I'm Gokul Patil. Let me show you the demo of my project as I said before. So as said, there is a IR sensor over here which we had talked before in the video, and this is the 9-gram SD90 Tower Pro servo motor. So this servo motor is too powerful for our project, so we will not be using any more powerful project servo. So what I say is, let me connect my IR sensor first. So there are 3 pins. One is output, which is the white one, which is coming to the 4, and one is the ground. The ground is connected, yes, and the second is the VCC. VCC we have connected to the 5 volt, as IR sensor works at best in 5 volt. So let me now connect the same as our servo motor. The orange one is actually the ground, so let me connect it over here. Yes, so I have made a group of this, and let me connect this. Green one is the output, which we connect to the yellow wire. You can even write it, the yellow is the output. 1 minute. Yes, the yellow is the output. Then the red, which is in middle, is the VCC, and the brown over here is the ground. So it's output VCC and ground. Yellow means output, red means VCC, and brown means ground. So I have connected the servo motor over here. So the circuit is sorted. Let me connect the LAN connections over here. Yes, it's connected. And let me connect the 5 volt over here, 5 volt over here, and I think yes. So let me start. So after starting, there is an startup setup, which the servo motor is at 90 degrees at starting. We have to once do it, and then if it falls, our project is successfully started. So let me start by adding one object over here. Yes, so let's pretend this charger as a car, Suzuki or any car. So let me start by driving this car over here, and as you can see, when the car comes here, the serial monitor says 1 in the binary language, and when it says 1, the project program in the Arduino IDE, as you can see, when it is 1, the servo motor spins 180 degrees at the right, and after 3 seconds it falls down again, but I need to remove this. Yes, so this is the project, and let me again show you. This is how it is. So there is also a program written in the code that says the delay of the servo motor, which you can even change. It's like 2000, you can even put 200. 200 means 2 seconds and 2000 means 3 seconds. So you can try that. And also you can see when lights blinks over here, so you can check that the IR sensor is working or not by just adding one battery or just connecting it by self. See, you can see over here one light glows, and after it falls. So let me start again and show you the startup program. So when it starts, it starts a checkup of the program. See, when I connect 5 volt, it starts at 90 degree, and then we have to put once and it falls. So this says that our project is all working, and this checks all the system. So this was the project, and let me finish my video with a big thank you.